Dislike all like reels on Instagram at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you ways to dislike all like reels on Instagram. So in order to dislike all the like reels on Instagram, you need to go and log in, and from the home page go and press the profile icon. Then tap on the tab bar icon, go to your activity. Under your activity you could go to likes. So first of all, you could go ahead and select the type of content. So go ahead and make sure to select reels and click on apply. After that, you could also filter out newest to oldest or oldest to newest. And if you wish to do that, do is long press on the particular content that you wish to delete, or the reels that you wish to delete, or unlike or dislike it. And if you're sure about it, press on the unlike button and confirm that, and you've successfully unliked all like reels on Instagram at once. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.